पानी की तरह बहना चाहती हूँ, कुछ ऊंचा ही सही पर उड़ना चाहती हूँ। अपने वजूद की तलाश में उन रास्तों पर चलना चाहती हूँ जिस पर खोने का डर था। उन्हीं रास्तों पे मंजिल को पाना चाहती हूँ। मैं उड़ना चाहती हूँ। Hello and welcome to Rabai Rashi Foundation. Today's show is for all the women who pledge to make a better life for themselves. To help them make one, we have Ravinder Bhan with 30 years of experience across 6 countries. 3B for You is founded by Ravinder Bhan. It means Build Better Business. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है रविंदर जी.
Thank you. Happy to be here talking to a wonderful woman about the initiative of Wonder Woman entrepreneurs.
Ravinder sir, we would want you to explain about TPS World Business, Ravinder Bhan the brand, and 3B for You, the platform that you have made for so many women. Over to you.
First of all, TPS World Business. The TPS stands for The Powerful Solutions. So as a business, we believe in providing solutions which are powerful for your need. So, and then you mentioned something like brand Ravinder Bhan that I would be a bit cautious about. Yeah, I can very confidently say that this is the learner Ravinder Bhan, who has been constantly learning since 1956. Went around countries, worked in organizations, interacted with people, did a lot of things, all in the process of learning. And I personally believe that we really cease to exist the day we cease to learn. So I, as a human being, as a person, as a professional, am a constant learner. And coming to the 3B for You, it's, as you said, it's Build Better Business for You. It's a part of an initiative which we call Better Life for Everyone. You know, Rashi, we believe that each one of us, men, women, children, old, all of us have a right to a better life than what we are leading. And what is it that we all can do together to make our and each other's life better? So this is the initiative that I launched around 4 months back. And I wanted to name this initiative something. And I thought the best thing to name it is what it is. And that is Better Life for Everyone. Now, if we have to have a better life for everyone, obviously in any society, anything that has to improve has to begin from improving the women of that society. And anything that has to empower people has to come from people becoming entrepreneurial, if not entrepreneurs, but entrepreneurial in their approach. So therefore, we combined the two, and I thought of having an initiative where we enable, empower, advise, help, assist women who want to become entrepreneurs so that they become the Wonder Woman entrepreneur. So at 3BU, we help you to identify your project. We first help you to understand whether you are ready for entrepreneurship. And if you are, what is it that is preventing you? And trust me, in the last a couple of weeks that I have been interacting with a lot of women online and offline, there are so many factors which even I did not know are preventing women from entrepreneurship. And we are going to address each one of those because I am very clear, this is not my initiative, this is your initiative. And unless it addresses your issues, I'm going to be wasting your time, which I do not have a right to. So it is a platform where we will address your concerns, what is preventing you from that entrepreneurial step. And once you have taken that step, what will help you and how you will go forward. And in this journey, we will be there with you right from the date of inception to the point of your monetization.
See, our Honorable Prime Minister has already been speaking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, Nari Shakti, and the new generation, the new women of India. I want to start with asking you, since you've been working for so long and you've been interacting and talking and mentoring so many women, very basic question, why do women need to work?
Nothing will change in the society unless the women are empowered. And unfortunately, if we go by the background, and that's why the Honorable Prime Minister is also talking of Nari Shakti and Atmanirbharta. Now, if Bharat has to be Atmanirbhar, भारत की नारियों को आत्मनिर्भर पहले बनाना पड़ेगा. और अगर आत्मनिर्भर किसी को बनाना है तो उसको सबसे पहले ये करना है कि she should be able to make her own rosy roti. She should not be dependent on somebody. That, in my view, is the need for empowerment. And that is what is the need for women to work.
That it is not about the weakness, but it is about getting more power, getting more empowered. That's wonderful. Okay, what are the services 3B4U provides? Tell us more about it.
We are with you from the minute you decide to be an entrepreneur till the time you are monetized. Now, that would mean even very simple things like how to register your company, what kind of subsidies are available, what kind of support is available to from the government. Are you aware of that? So we call that the incubation phase. From that phase, we will take you to what is called the mentorship and training phase. That is where we will train you in all the nuances of business, finance, human resources, marketing, technology, and so on. So this period of training and mentorship will run for, let's say, about 3 months. And then we take you to the enablement stage. That is where we work with you and make you actually make money out of your business and then grow it up. So 3 stages: incubation, mentorship, enablement. We are with you through this journey.
So the market is full of such programs. You know, when we go on the internet, we find every second person helping SMEs, women entrepreneurs, MSMEs. There are so many coaches, there are so many mentors available, online programs. You know, what is the USP of this particular program?
I would, with my utmost respect to everybody, first thing I would say that if the market has too many consultants and too many coaches, I suppose it has need for more. If I take the Indian population of 130 crore, if I take women at something like 65 crore, and if I know that the number of women in enterprise is not even 1%, then the number of women available to be mentored is very huge. So the number of consultants, advisors, coaches required is also huge. At the same time, you then asked about the USP. I really don't know what is that I could call a USP, but the point is very simple. We are not here. I mean, I'll explain it like this. We don't do free programs. Now, I do get asked, so many programs are available free, why are you charging? I tell them, WhatsApp is also available free, Facebook is also available free. Whenever you buy something free, you are being bought. Now, I have no intention of buying you. I have an intention of training you. And therefore, there is a cost to that, whether it's my cost, the cost of my staff or whatever. So one thing which people get to immediately understand that if these guys are not selling free, that means they have something of value to sell. I would like them to make that choice. Overall, I would not turn down, I would not show down anybody in terms of their quality, but we do not leave the scene till you are actually monetized. And I would challenge any other consultant who would do that.
I would want you to explain this to me, that are you going to train people who are already in business, or people who want to start with business, or people who have failed with business?
You know, surprisingly, Rashi, you will perhaps be surprised to know, who are the people that need the maximum training? People who are in business for a long number of years. Because for them, the process of unlearning is very tough. There's a certain way in which they are used to doing things and they believe it is right. It's far more easier for me to train somebody who is not carrying any baggage, who doesn't know anything. But otherwise, it's like, people telling me I have 20 years experience in doing this. And I tell them, is it 20 years experience or it is 1 year's experience repeated 20 times? And 1 year's wrong experience repeated 20 times. So we're going to train people at every stage. And particularly my heart goes out to those who have failed businesses. We are here to help you understand whether you can succeed or not. I'm not going to tell you that everything is wishy-washy and everything is excellent. But we will be able to tell you whether this business will revive at all. And if it does, what it will require. So in terms of existing entrepreneurs, I personally believe that they have a bigger need for training. The younger ones, the fresher ones are gullible. They are absolutely open to learning new ideas.
Can you imagine this? There is a guy out there who's ready to train you, tell you whether COVID is the reason or it's your attitude and approach towards the business that has actually failed you. And I think this is wonderful. So, what inspired you to build this?
Now it's time for some bragging, right? Honestly, Rashi, having worked in the corporate and on my own for about 35 plus years, at the end, what do you take home? You can make a lot of money. You can fill your bank with a lot of money. You will have a very huge balance. You can buy a lot of properties. You can do whatever. But what is it? The intrinsic value that you are building into yourself. None of these things can give you the intrinsic value. I'm not saying it's possible to live without money. That's a myth. You need money for sure. But beyond money, you need something to carry home. And that is my motivation. What I want to carry home as my wealth is the number of lives I could change. And if not change the life outright, but bring some difference to that life. Put a smile on somebody's face. And to me, that is the currency of my wealth. That is what will go with me as my asset.
So, your experience over the years training and mentoring and coaching people and business entrepreneurs, SMEs, MSMEs, I would want you to tell us about some programs that you have done in the past.
Okay, that's a very nice question. One of the things that I normally talk about is that there is no curriculum here. There is no syllabus. There is no subject. There is no topic. The only thing that I am concerned about is you. So my total subject of training is you. So I don't have a menu card as in a hotel that you buy time management, then you buy this, the motivation skills, then you buy coaching skills, then you buy this, that, and the other. To me, that is what I call the grocery shop. I don't run a grocery shop. I am the a la carte who tells you what is it that you exactly need. What is it that your actual hunger is? You say, I want a masala dosa. I will tell you whether I can prepare a masala dosa and how much time it will take me. And then I offer you a masala dosa. So I would not, we are not a checklist training company. Where here are the 17 programs you check, first check, second check. No, we are a solution company, which is why we are called the Powerful Solutions. We solve your problem.
I love this, the word solution. I think most of the mentors and the coaches on the internet are always speaking about the problem and how big the problem is. But I love this, that you spoke about, that you provide solution and you don't like to talk about the problem a lot. So, Mr. Bhan, with the pandemic and the COVID, a lot of people got a reason that their business failed because of COVID. Now, pandemic is, I think, not over, but people have accepted it in their daily lives. What do you think is the new normal for any kind of business or any kind of training program?
There is, as I said, we do not offer a syllabus and a list of items. We offer a solution. So even in this program or initiative, I'm not going to talk about how is business done, what are your business plans, why you should motivate you to do business and make you a better person. No, we are going to give you 4 actual projects in healthcare, in agri-tech, in IT, and in cloud kitchens. And we're going to tell you that, look, this is the business, here is the opportunity, here is your market, and we will give you actual markets. These are the things that can prevent your growth. These are the difficulties. These are the solutions. For each project, we'll be talking numbers. We'll not be talking concepts. And one thing which I have ensured personally, that each of these projects, each of these business propositions are valid or even better because of the COVID. Let me give you a very quick example. For example, if I take Cloud Kitchen. Cloud Kitchen as a business was not as powerful as it is going to be after COVID. So also home healthcare. Like 1 year back, nobody talked of home healthcare because at the drop of a hat, we would go and walk to a doctor's place. Now we won't. So we will need healthcare at home. So, to put it rhetorically, I call these projects COVID proof.
That's a wonderful concept you just mentioned, COVID proof. I think that's wonderful. And, Mr. Bhan, coming to the program, who are the mentors apart from you?
Rashi, there is no mentor, there is no coach, there is no me. Okay, first thing, I'm going to be a facilitator. I'm going to be the person who is going to understand the person who is coming in, his needs, and the person who is delivering, his ability to deliver that solution. We are not going to have professional coaches. We are not going to have professional mentors. We are going to have actual business experts who own those businesses. For example, for Cloud Kitchen, the lady who will be facilitating this is owning one of the largest cloud kitchens. And she started from nothing, like you. She is running a very, very successful business. So she is going to present the business case for that. Similarly, if I talk of the IT solution, the AI-based digital marketing, it is going to be the owner of a digital marketing company who is going to tell them what the opportunities are, where the difficulties are. So they're not going to learn from any teachers. They're going to learn from actual practitioners. My job is to facilitate and put them both together and make sure that the person who is attending is getting the best value for the money and his or her problem is solved.
So the larger corporates and the bigger companies spend a lot of money on the executive programs for their employees. Here we have Ravinder Bhan, who is actually offering you the same kind of programs at a much, much, much reasonable price with the best of the market minds just for you. So what are we waiting for? I think we all need to get in touch with this man. His details, his email ID, and his reachable numbers are available on this post. So you just spoke about the 4 different sectors. Anybody apart from these who want mentorship with this program, are you open to that?
Oh, I'm not only open. We had a briefing session exactly for this because I had a lot of women ask me on LinkedIn, Ravinder, you are doing it on this, but that's not my interest. So I'm not registering. I told them, okay, don't register yet. Come for a briefing session. So I do a 90-minute briefing session where I talk about this. And I told them that, look, these are the 4 projects that have come to our mind and which I call COVID proof and which I call, doable by you. But this is not the know all and be all of the world. So I used it. I used the term, bring your own booze and let's drink together. So bring your project. Challenge me to assess your project. I will endorse it. I'll assess it. And if I feel that it is, yes, it's something that's going to help you, I will explain to you. I will work on the same system as I will work on those projects and make you succeed. Remember, my determination is your success. So bring your project and I'll make it successful for you. And if I feel that your project has problems, then I will challenge it. If you're able to defend it, fine. If you are not, then both of us will take a decision by consensus to drop that because I don't want you to fail. It is my determination to make you succeed.
So trust me, this is coming from one of his students who've actually picked up from where he actually pushed me into the pool for no reason at all. And I was like, I learned how to swim. So this is one guarantee I can give you. Get in touch with Mr. Bhan. So what are we waiting for? Imagine a program like Wonder Women Entrepreneur Program, which is tailor-made as per needs, offered at a very, very less investment. Get in touch with him. And I think the life will be sorted.